You have learned what Forex is, leverage, pips, lot size, and risk management. Now it's time to move from theory to practical. In this video, I will show you how to use MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5, so you know exactly where everything is before placing your first trade. So what is MetaTrader 5? MetaTrader 5 is a platform where traders analyze charts, monitor trades, and place trades. Now go on your App Store, your Play Store, whichever browser you are using. Let us download MT5. I'm using PC, so download MT5 for PC. So I am downloading it right here. After you're done downloading, installed it, and right now you open, most of you are going to land in this particular page which I'm on. Most of you are going to land there. So if you are stuck here, this is why I'm here. So this is what you should do now if you are right on this page that you can see. So what you're gonna do is you go to file. So on file, you can see these are the list of what they have here. If you want to open account, file, view, tools, help. So we are going on view now. What you are looking for, what are we looking for now? I'm trying to bring back the chart. So if you are not seeing the chart, or you are seeing the chart but it's not to the way you want, you just wait a bit. I'm going to show you everything. So this is what you should do when you go on it. So once you go on the view, this is what you're gonna do. So this market watch, the market watch is going to show you the list of pairs which you want to trade, maybe your GBP, JPY, and all of the pairs. This is what the market watch does for you. Market watch, what are we going to do? Let's bring market watch. So the market watch is going to give us the number of pairs. Like I said to you, these are the pairs here, but these are not forex pairs. So if you want to add pair, this is how you can add pair: USD, JPY. So you can enter, this is how you can have pairs. So if you have it here, so you can drag this particular pair onto this page. You can drag it onto this page, and let's try it out so it can be practical. You can drag it and drop it here. This will show. So you are using anything you are using, just drag and drop. Left click, hold it down, then drag it and drop it on the screen. So this is what we have here right now. So this, you are confused and you don't want your screen to be like this. You want to still, make it sexy a bit. This is what you do. You go on chart here, which you can see. You go on chart. If you want to use line, I will have candlestick. If you want to use candlestick, so you are using candlestick for this video. So if you should use candlestick, and we are going to remove the grid. So this grid, you can see those are the boxes you can see. So we'll remove the grid. So now the grid is off. Our chart is becoming clearer. So go back again to that particular chart which you're on. So if you remove the grid now, we go on volume. This volume, we don't want to see it, so we'll remove it. You click whatever you don't want to see, you just click it. So go back there again. Trade levels. This trade level is the trade lines. So we don't want to see that also. So right now, trade history, we don't want to see that. If you want to see it, you can keep it, but right now we don't have any trade history. So this is the one that is done for now. So go on properties. We want to do more. We want to go deeper into the candles and how to change the color. So once you go there, this is what you're gonna see. So we have our overall background. So the foreground is white. Oh, that's the text on the foreground is the text. That's the text on the background is white. So we want it to be white that way. So the grid, we don't want any grid. So the grid is no longer here. The grid is no longer here. The bar up, that's bullish. Let's say want the bar up to be blue, or let's make it something like bar up, want it to be, let's pick any color. Let's just say yellow. Bar up, we just want it to be yellow. That's bullish, yellow. Bar down, that's bearish. Let's make it like red. So that's the bar up and bar down. We are going to the body of the candle right now. So the bull candle will make it yellow. We'll select yellow also. Then we'll go on the bear candle. The bear candle, what do we make it as? We'll make it as red. So we'll click on red. You can see it's changing here. So it won't affect it on your main page yet. After you're done from here and you click on OK, that's when everything will display on there. So after we're done that, those are the two main things: the bull candle, the bear candle. The volume, we don't have the volume here. Click OK. Okay, click OK. Now you can see how our screen is looking, our chart is looking beautiful right now. So you can see it here. So the next thing is the time frame. So you can see their time frame up here. Their monthly time frame, 4 hour, monthly, weekly. You can see all of it. So you have to play around also with it, all these things. That's when you can know more about it, right? Play around, you discover more about it. So here is the cursor. We have the cursor here. If you point to it, you can see the name will appear. We have the cursor. We can see it and we use it to drop and add the tools. Maybe you pick some tools here and you want to drop it, you click on the cursor. You pick a tool, you see that the tool will be picked on your cursor. Your cursor will no longer be picked. So we have trend line. These lines They are also for trend line. This is how you can draw it from one point to the other. You click on the red side and you drag it from the red side to another point. That's how you draw the trend line. So we have trend line, the horizontal line, the horizontal ray or the line. This is it also, and we have the vertical. That's the vertical I drew before the horizontal. So this is also Fibonacci. You can change the color if you want, the bar ups, the thumb up, and these are other images. So you can see how our chart is looking right now. Now that your MT5 is ready, in the next lesson I will show you how to place your very first trade and explain every button you need to know. Before watching the next lesson, download MT5, create your demo account, and leave a comment saying done.